How to deactivate Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook account in 2025. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, just tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and privacy section, just tap on the option that says see more in account center. And now here, once you are in your account center, simply scroll down and tap on personal details. And now here in this section, just tap on account ownership and control. And after that, you simply have to select deactivation and deletion. And now here, simply select your Facebook account. And on the next page, you simply have to select deactivate account and tap on continue. And with that, you just have to tap on continue again. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to enter the password and give it a reason for deactivating your account and choose a reason and tap on continue. And with that, you just have to tap on deactivate account again to confirm, and after that, your Facebook account will be deactivated. Now, here with that, you can reactivate it anytime by logging back in with your account, email, and password. And that's it. Now you know how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account in 2025. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.